Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build backlinks for your new or old site, whether the site is an e-commerce site or any type of site. This video will show you the step-by-step method on how you can successfully build backlinks for your site. And if it's your first time of watching my video, I make videos on e-commerce and any other video related to SEO, so make sure you subscribe to this channel to get notification whenever I make new videos. Now back to the video on how to build backlinks for a new or old site, whether it's e-commerce or not. The process are the same. So this is the way you can build backlinks for your new site. First of all, I'll show you how to build backlinks for a new site. Then after this, I'll show you how you can build backlinks for your old site. It's important to build quality backlinks for your new site in order to increase your DA and, most importantly, increase the ranking of your site, which eventually leads to getting traffic from Google when that happens. Now, this is how you can build backlinks to your new site. I call it the 60-40 or 40-60 ratio. Now, let me explain what I mean by 60-40. I mean 60% of the links you want to build to your new site should go to your own page. The remaining 40% should go to other pages on your site. This includes category or blog posts or any other type of pages on your website. And link mostly to the page on your website you want to rank high. It has a tendency to drive you more income or traffic for your website. Link to 40%, part of the 40% to those pages. Then the other way, you can do it this way, 40 to 60, that is 40% to your own page, the remaining 60% to other pages. Spread the links to other pages on your website. Before you start building links, I'm assuming that you have done good on-page SEO for your site. For links to work effectively on your site, your e-commerce site, you must have done good on-page SEO for your website. If you don't know what on-page SEO is, or you've not done on-page SEO for your site, you can watch my videos on how to do on-page SEO for your e-commerce site and also for any other type of site. You can check the description box below. You see a link to those videos talking about on-page SEO. So once you have done that, you start building backlinks to your site, e-commerce site, or any other type of site. Now, the first type of links you should build to your new site, which is very important, is citations. Citations are links you build to your site, which contains your name of your business or your name, address or location of your business, and phone number of your business. Then in addition to that, you can include the link of your website in it. It's very important you do this. This will enable or tell Google that this site is a trusted site. Citation builds trust and credibility for your site. Then after you've done that, another type of link you should build is social media profile, like on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on. Then after you've done that, you can also move on to social bookmarking, like Reddit and the rest, image backlinks. You can also go with video, audio, comments, backlinks. Web 2.0, then PR. PR is press release. I'm going to talk about more on press release in my next video, how you can do quality press release for your website or your e-commerce site. Once you have done all of this, all these type of links in red, then you can proceed to link insertion, PBN if you want, then guest posting. You do all this type of, you do all this one after you have built all this type of backlinks for your website. And the question you may be asking is, can this type of links help to increase the ranking of my website or drive traffic to your website? Yes, it can. especially if the keyword you are targeting is a low competitive keyword. This type of links can be enough to increase the ranking of a website. Now that is all on that on building backlinks for your new site. Now let's go to building backlinks for an old site. This is an old site. This is the type of links you should build, the same type of link, but I will explain further on how you should go about it. For an old site, you see the same method: 60-40, 40-60, 60 to your own page, 40 to other pages on the website. Then, or you can go for 40 backlinks. That's at least 40% of the backlinks should go to your home page. The remaining 60% should be distributed to your other pages on your website. Now, to build backlinks to your old site, to start building backlinks for your old site, make sure you use Google Search Console. This gives you a list of keywords, their ranking, the impression, the number of clicks on that website. Make sure you are using this Google Search Console to build backlinks and target pages that are in the first to third page. That is from third position to 30 position. This type of keywords or pages are easy to rank to Google first page. Now let me show you an example. So this is my Google Search Console. So I'm going to look pages that are ranking from 2 or 3 to 30 on Google. So to do that, if I click on position, this is 1.4, 2.0. So I'm going to look for, I can still work on this, but looking at this, you can see this is 2 impressions, ranking second on Google with having 2 impressions. That's poor. You shouldn't waste your time building backlinks to a page like this or post like this as having position 2 and that is having this type of impression 2. It's ranking second position on Google first page and is having 2. That's very poor. So we're going to look for pages that has good impression and the position are between 3 to 30. So you go down to your Google Search Console and look for it. For example, look at this. This is a good example of what I'm talking about. This is ranking 3.3 on Google. That is on Google first page. And it's having impression of 4,333. That's 4,333 impressions. This is good. If you can take this from 3 to number 1 position, at least we're going to increase the number of clicks. The number of clicks or the click-through rate of this is going to increase. This is a good example of this. Another example is, look at this. You can look at this too. 3.4. Work on this to get to number 1. And this also. Note, before you work on any site or any page that is ranking on position 3 on Google, the first thing you need to do is to work on the on-page SEO. On-page SEO. Work on the on-page SEO. Interlink it to other related pages on your website. Once you have done that and it still hasn't changed the position or changed its position to, let's say, 2 or 1, it's a sign that you need to build backlinks to that page and to your home page using the previous method I've shown you. So you're going to be building backlinks. I'll build more backlinks to my own page to increase my site authority and also build to that particular page to increase the ranking of that page. If you need my link building services, you can check the description box below to see the link to my link building services. For all these for all these links you are seeing right here, if your old site doesn't have all these foundational links, let's say citations, social bookmarking, doesn't have this, it is still very important you build those backlinks for your old site. Even if it's an old site, still build all these links that you read to your old site. You can also build PR. You can start with PR, or you can start with citation, then move on to PR. It's important you build all these type of links to your old site. Citations, social bookmarking, PR, Web 2.0. So you build all these type of backlinks to your old site. And then after you've done that, you can now proceed to order to this type of link insertion, guest posts, and every other one I may not mention in this video. So that is how you can build backlinks to your old site or new site, whether your site is e-commerce or any other type of site. So in the next video, I'll be talking more on PR, press release, how to do good quality press release for your website. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, and I'll see you in the next video.